Tuplo Basic Tax Services enables straightforward tax management for your business. To set up Tuplo Basic in Tuplo Studio, log into your Tuplo account and navigate to the Sales Tax Preferences section. Select Tuplo Basic from the drop-down menu. Once finished, click Update Sales Tax to enable Tuplo Basic. Once enabled, you can assign tax exemptions to your customer accounts. When editing a customer account, activate the tax exemption checkbox and enter the customer's government-issued tax exemption code and a name to help identify it. Make sure your customer can provide proof of their status before applying it. With Tuplo Basic, categories receive a taxable status. By default, they are marked as taxable, meaning any products in a product group with the assigned category are included in tax calculations performed in your orders. To toggle the taxability of a category, right-click on the category and choose Switch Taxability, or use the keyboard shortcut Shift-Command-T. Then click Save to apply your changes. You can override a status given to a product group as a result of an assigned category by opening the product group, clicking Edit, and toggling the taxable checkbox. While Tuplo Basic provides an easy and customizable way to manage your taxes, we're not tax experts. We recommend using Tuplo Basic and consulting a reputable tax authority to ensure you meet all tax obligations in Tuplo Studio.